So you want to be a developer, but you don't know how, and you want to listen to an experience that maybe works for you or not. I will talk to you what was my road, what was the mistakes and things that I think I did good, and you will take it as it is. If it works for you, fine. If it not, you will find your own path. So to begin with, I am a quantitative developer. I started programming with Python mainly, just a recommendation of a teacher, because Python is the best language when it comes to data analyst. It's like, come on, you won't use C or C++ for data science. It will be a completely night. But the first thing, I took the course of Python for Everybody from Michigan, of Chuck, and then I just grabbed interest in the language. For me, it was really easy to do something short and see how my idea took life. And yeah, I was playing around to do all my own stuff that I was doing daily with other programs with Python. Then I knew that Python wasn't enough. Like you have to know about something about the web, how to make a request, how the front works, how the back works. Get your hands a bit dirty, because the book is kind of really theoretic knowledge. In practice, no one will tell you exactly what to do. You have to have a hunch on that. So the first thing is that you have to get your hands dirty. You have to get out from the example of the book that just tell you the vanilla case, the perfect case scenario where everything works, because that's not real life. And in second, you have to follow your passion. That's it. Is that you have to do whatever you want, because in my case, I learned Python because I was able to do all the math, all the calculation that I was making by hand almost, doing it by Python in real time, and to be able to do more. I see the benefit, the instant benefit of coding. So basically that, you have to know your passion, and also you have to learn how to steal in order not to be a script kiddie that you just copy paste the script of someone else without ever further reading it. But you have to ask yourself, what does this script does? So by doing that, you not only understand the script, but you are able to switch it to your scenario, to what your need is. So you have to grab everything and be able to transform it under your own need. That's something that you have to do. Other thing is that you have to work on your portfolio, make a GitHub profile, and upload whatever shit you do. At the first steps, you are going to do shitty products, but that's okay. You are a beginner. You have to take feedback from your code and learn from it. Maybe you don't have a mentor. I didn't have, but you can find the code from GitHub as a reference to see why the person that made this software did it in this particular way, in this pattern. For example, I love functional programming. It's like Python, Rust. Then please do not mention me JavaScript, please. But object-oriented programming or any other kind of language like C with classes is not for me. Also, you have to know what part of programming you want to focus. It's an unbelievable huge universe. So you have to pick what part you like. You cannot pick everything. Also, you can play it. It's like exploring what you want. But at the end of the day, you have to say, I'm doing this. Nothing else, nothing more. You can have an idea, and it is useful to have one. When you make a request to a service, to know how that request is handled in the other side. So I think it's good for you to get your hands dirty, follow your passions, be able to fail in the sense that how you respond to failure. It's not going to work in the first time, but man, it's unbelievable. It's amazing when, after all, attempt after attempt and failure after failure, you have success. So, welcome to this world and prepare for the rest. See ya.